Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
Start by cleansing the face with a gentle, pH-balanced cleanser and pat skin dry. Dispense a pea-sized amount of collagen eye cream total, not per eye, onto the ring finger. If you use water-based serums, apply them first and then the eye cream. Do not apply heavy oils beforehand. Perform a patch test on the inner forearm and wait 48 hours to check for irritation. Keep movement minimal around the eye and remove contact lenses before applying to reduce contamination risk. Dispense 3 to 5 tiny dots of cream under each eye along the orbital bone. Avoid placing product on the upper lash line or into the eye itself. Use your ring finger to lightly tap and press the cream into skin with 3 to 4 gentle taps per dot. Do not rub or stretch the skin. Smooth any excess outward toward the temple. Allow the formula to absorb for about 3 minutes before applying makeup or sunscreen to prevent pilling and to ensure proper layering of ingredients. For best results, use the collagen eye cream twice daily, morning and night, consistently for 4 to 8 weeks to evaluate improvement in fine lines and hydration. Store the product below 25 degrees C and keep the cap closed to preserve actives. Discard if color or smell changes. In the morning, pair with SPF 30 or higher on exposed skin. Avoid strong retinoids immediately beside the eye area unless tolerance is established. If you experience persistent redness, stinging, swelling, or visual changes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.